अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज हम पाकिस्तान की चारों सूबों की पुलिस के बारे में जानेंगे कुछ ऐसे मालूमात जो शायद इससे पहले हमें मालूम ना हो। तो आइए जानते हैं और सीखते हैं ताकि आने वाले किसी भी टेस्ट के लिए अच्छी सी तैयारी हो जाए, ताकि अगर टेस्ट में पुलिस के बारे में कोई सवाल आ जाए तो उसका जवाब हमें मालूम हो। Police order was enforced by Chief Executive of Pakistan in आंसर है 2002. Every year the Police Martyrs Day is observed in Pakistan on. Every year the Police Martyrs Day is observed in Pakistan on. Martyrs का मतलब है शुहदा। इसका जवाब है 4 अगस्त। इसका आंसर 4 अगस्त। National Police Academy is located at. National Police Academy is located at. इसका जवाब है इस्लामाबाद। इसका आंसर इस्लामाबाद है। The first women police station was set up in. The first women police station was set up in. Its answer is Islamabad. Its answer is Islamabad. SHO is the abbreviation of. SHO is the abbreviation of. SHO का मुखाफिफ क्या है? Its answer is Station House Officer. Station House Officer. Head of police station is known as the. Head of police station is known as the. Its answer is SHO. Its answer is SHO. मतलब Station House Officer. FIR stands for. FIR stands for. Its answer is First Information Report. इसका जवाब है First Information Report. The form of FIR contains. The form of FIR contains. FIR का form मुश्तमिल है. Its answer is 3 columns. Its answer is 3 columns. Inspector General of Police is also known as. Inspector General of Police is also known as. Its answer प्रोविंशियल पुलिस ऑफिसर। इसका जवाब है प्रोविंशियल पुलिस ऑफिसर। इंस्पेक्टर जनरल इज द मोस्ट सीनियर। इंस्पेक्टर जनरल इज द मोस्ट सीनियर। इसका आंसर है पुलिस रैंक, यानी कि इंस्पेक्टर जनरल पुलिस रैंक में सबसे सीनियर है। जुवेनाइल प्रिजनर्स आर अंडर द एज ऑफ। जुवेनाइल प्रिजनर्स आर अंडर द एज ऑफ 14 years. Headquarter of Sindh Police is located at. Headquarter of Sindh Police is located at. Its answer is Karachi. इसका जवाब है कराची। Headquarter of Punjab Police is located at. Headquarter of Punjab Police is located at. Its answer is Lahore. Headquarter of Balochistan Police is located at. Balochistan Police का headquarter वाक़ है। Its answer is Quetta. इसका जवाब है क्वेटा। Headquarter of KPK Police is located at. Headquarters of KPK Police is located at. Its answer is Peshawar. Headquarters of Pakistan Railways Police. Headquarters of Pakistan Railways Police is located at. Its answer is Lahore. Headquarters of ANF Police is located at. Headquarters of ANF Police is located at. Its also answer is Islamabad. Its answer is Islamabad. Headquarters of National Highways and Motorways Police is located at. Its answer is Islamabad. Who has become the first women chief traffic officer of Lahore? Its answer is Amara Athar. Its answer is Amara Athar. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? यानी कि सिंध पुलिस का मौजूदा IG कौन है? Its answer is Rifat Mukhtar Raja. Rifat Mukhtar Raja is the current IG of Sindh Police. Who is the current IG of Punjab Police? पंजाब पुलिस का मौजूदा IG कौन है? Its answer is Usman Anwar. Usman Anwar is the current IG of Punjab Police. Who is the current IG of KPK Police? Its answer is Akhtar Hayat Khan. मतलब Akhtar Hayat Khan is the current IG of KPK Police. Who is the current IG of Balochistan Police? Its answer is Abdul Khalik Sheikh. Abdul Khalik Sheikh is the current IG of Balochistan Police. Who is the current IG of Gilgit-Baltistan Police? Afzal Mahmood Bhatt is the current IG of Gilgit-Baltistan Police. Who is the current IG of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Police? Its answer is Amir Ahmad Sheikh. Amir Ahmad Sheikh is the current IG of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Police. Who is the current IG of Islamabad Police? Akbar Nisar Khan. Akbar Nisar Khan is the current IG of Islamabad Police. Who is the current IG of National Highways Police? Its answer is Sultan Ali Khwaja. Sultan Ali Khwaja is the current IG of National Highways Police. Who is the current IG of Railways Police? Who is the current IG of Railways Police? Its answer is Rao Sardar Ali Khan. Rao Sardar Ali Khan is the current IG of Railways Police. Who was the first IG of Punjab after the creation of Pakistan? Khan Qurban Ali Khan. Khan Qurban Ali Khan was the first IG of Punjab after the creation of Pakistan. The highest award of bravery in the police service of Pakistan is Quaid-e-Azam Police Medal. Quaid-e-Azam Police Medal, the highest award of bravery in the police service of Pakistan. The Elite Force of Punjab was formed in which year? The Elite Force of Punjab was formed in which year? Its answer is 1998. Its answer is 1998. Murray Tourism Police was launched on. Murray Tourism Police was launched on. Its answer is 30 April 2022. Who has become the first woman SSP of Balochistan Province? Its answer is Faryal Fareed. Faryal Fareed has become the first woman SSP of Balochistan Province. Who became the first Hindu woman DSP of Pakistan? Its answer is Manisha Rupeta. इसका जवाब है Manisha Rupeta. Who became the first female AIG of KPK Police Pakistan? Its answer is Aisha Gul. Who became the first female AIG of KPK Police of Pakistan? Which province got a woman in March 2022? Its answer is Sub Police Station. इसका जवाब है Sub Police